Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the professor, associate, assistant as well as a lecturer vacancies notification from the multiple colleges. And coming to this advertisements, here the only postgraduates and PG plus UG Senate and PhD. So for all these three different types of categories, here the vacancies are there from the multiple colleges as well as the multiple departments. So after watching this video, please share this one to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section. So if I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And to get my next video as a notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the different recruitment notifications from the multiple colleges. And also, if you want to get the online personalized job consultancy, then one Google form I kept in the description box of this video. So please find out that link. Before going into the main content of this video, it is a very big announcement and the good news to the UGSNet candidates who are preparing for the examination, which is going to be start from this, in this month, October 17th onwards. So here I'm conducting the free online live classes, guys. Okay, even though if you miss the live classes, you can go to the recorded one also. For the general paper one, that is the teaching and research aptitude in English. Okay, daily evening 5:30, and while coming to the paper 2 electronic science, daily at the afternoon 3 o'clock. And whoever the interested candidates are there, I kept one link in the description box of this video, that is a Telegram group link. So please join in that group link. Then you will get the regular updates regarding this free UGSNet online live classes from the Unacademy side. Coming to the present content of the video, so out of the multiple colleges here, the first one we are going to see is the Uttaranchal College of Science and Technology. So in this one, it requires application from the candidates for the post of assistant professor in the Department of Biotechnology, Microbiology, Chemistry, Botany, Zoology, Physics, Environmental Science, Pharmaceutical Chemistry, as well as the Computer Science. So while coming to the 1 to 8, okay, either MSc with PhD or else MSc with a NET. Okay, fine. So anything, if you're having the MSc with NET also, then you can apply, no problem, guys. So no need of the PhD is mandatory, like that it's not there. So with the NET qualification also you can apply. And coming to the computer science, MCA is enough. Okay. And you need to apply within the 7 days since the date of the notification, and kindly bring a fresh copy of resume along with the necessary documents and one color photograph. So here the address is given as well as the contact numbers are also given. So if you are having any queries regarding this advertisement, then you may contact to this number and then you may further proceed of sending the resume as well as the necessary documents and the color photograph. And coming to the second advertisement is Nairuti Institutions from Coimbatore. It requires from Arts and Science College, Professor, Associate and Assistant Professor vacancies are there in the departments of Commerce, English, Costume Design, Fashion, Textile, Psychology and Communication, CS, IT, Tamil, Management, Maths. And the candidates must have the PG with a NET or SLET or MPhil or the PhD. So if you're having the NET qualification or the Tamil Nadu state eligibility qualification, then you may apply for this one, guys. And coming to the Polytechnic College, Vice Principal and or the lecturers required. And the lecturers required in the departments of English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, CSC, ECE, EEE and the Mechanical. And coming to the qualifications, BTech or MTech or MSc or MPhil. And other openings are also there. So Physical Director, Librarian, Office Staff, System Admin. Send the resume by mail or post to the provided mail ID artshr@nairuti.in. And here the contact numbers are also there. If you're having any queries regarding this one, you may contact those numbers also. It's better to send the mail, guys. Okay. And coming to the next college is KVK College of Pharmacy. So here the Professor, Associate and Assistant Professor vacancies are there in the departments of the Medicinal Chemistry, and Pharmaceutical departments. Okay. And the non-teaching staff is also there. The lab technicians or the lab assistants, and the qualification is D.Pharm or else a B.Pharm or else a BSc. Whoever the interested candidates are there, you may send your resume along with the copies of certificates. Okay, and PCA registration certificates and the photos and Aadhaar card, PAN card and experience letters, and you have to mail all these them to the kvkcp1@gmail.com on or before 11th October 2021. And coming to the next college is Mallareddy University. It is from Telangana, Hyderabad, guys. And here the walk-in interview is there for the Professor, Associate and Assistant Professor designations. And coming to the subjects are Computer Science and Engineering and Electronics and Communication Engineering, knowledge of Python, AI and ML, data science, etc. and the digital forensics and MBA. Qualification, experience and salary as per the UGC or the ACT norms, and computer programmers also required. The qualification is MC or MSc or the BTech, and the DTV operators also required. And the date and time of the walk-in interview is 9th October 2021 morning 10 o'clock, and the venue is the Mallareddy University campus. Candidates who are unable to attend the walk-in interview, you may send your resume to the careers@mallareddyuniversity.ac.in. And coming to the next college is Mavor Law Institute. So it requires the faculty for the 3 years and the 5 years law courses. And coming to the qualification for the 3-year course is that LLM with 55% of marks. And the qualification for the 5 years course is MA in English or Sociology, Hindi, Economics, Political Science, History. So the candidates must have the PhD or NET or SLET must be there, and apply with testimonials and the 2 photographs within 7 days. And here the phone numbers are also provided, as well as address also you will get complete address you will get in the Google, and here the address is also given, Sector 4C, Vasundhara, Ghaziabad 12, and the email ID is also provided. So whoever the candidates are having this eligibility and interested one, you may apply through this email ID, or else you may contact them. Okay. And coming to the next one is St. Peter's College. So it is from Faridabad, and here the email ID is provided, aeri.imt@gmail.com. The proposed degree college invites applications for the post of principal, associate and assistant professor vacancies in the following subjects, that is commerce, chemistry, physics, English, mathematics, Hindi, political science, economics, computer science, fashion design, accountancy. And coming to the non-teaching vacancies are clerks and accountants. So pay and qualification as per the norms of institute, MDU or UGC. And applications can be sent before the 21 days of this advertisement release at IMT College Sector 86, Faridabad, and email also. Okay, so here the email ID is also provided. Fine. So total these are the different colleges, guys. St. Peter's and Mavor Law Institute and Mallareddy and KVK and Nairuti, as well as Uttaranchal. Fine. If your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subject in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. And to get my next video as a notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe this channel and then tap the bell icon. And if you're looking for the online online job consultancy, then I'm providing the online personalized job consultancy. So one Google form I kept in the description box of this video, so you please fill up that form. Okay, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues, okay, who belongs to these departments or the subjects. It will be very much helpful to them. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you're interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay,